Hi everyone, Santosham to all of you. Welcome to the 7th episode of Practicing and Mastering of Surya Namaskar. Now, as you all know, we are having one session every week of Surya Namaskar split into around 10 episodes so that slowly you can learn each part of it, and finally when we combine you will be able to practice entirely. And this particular system we have made for you to have such time to improvise yourself and practice it well. Now, we will first see in the previous 6 episodes what we have done, and then what we are going to practice today will be the further practice. Right. Now, first I am going to show you what we have done already. If you have already been practicing with us, then you can just carry on with me and then practice what we are going to learn today. And if you are new to this video or channel, you can visit, because the links of the previous sessions are given in the description. You can go there, practice all videos which is in a very detailed manner. It is explained each part of it. Then you learn that and then you can continue. It will be very easy when you go through the proper process. Come, let us start with the session. Right. Now, initially we will practice what we have already learned. First position is this: breathing in, bend backwards, breathe out, come forward, keeping the arms on either side. If you are not able to keep it like this, you can slightly bend your legs also to make it convenient for you temporarily. Right. Then take your left leg backwards, keep the leg in this position, push your body forward like this, see in the front or upwards. Right. Then again keep the leg in the other way, pull back your other leg, stand like a stick, then slowly put both your legs down, your chest down, center part of the body up, and then breathing in, you are going for backward bending. Right, nicely back bend. Till this we have learned already in the 6 sessions. So now after this, what we have to do is keep the legs like this, go inward and keep your legs fully float. Try to keep it like this. Initially it might not be possible, you can even keep it like this. Slowly, finally you may have to keep the entire legs completely foot down in the floor. Your center part of the body should be completely up, head completely in as much as possible. So this should look like a mountain. The center portion should be up and the other part of the body, both hands as well as the legs, are completely touching the floor. That will be the case. Now this is the position you have to achieve. Initially you might not be able to touch the legs completely. You might end up like something like this. That is fine for the initial thing. Even the head also, it might stand something like this. You will not be able to reach completely like this. That is fine. But eventually, by slow practice and steady practice, eventually you have to come to this position where you have your center part of the body is completely up like a mountain. Both legs are touching the floor. Both arms are completely touching the floor. So this is the practice. Initially, as I told you, you keep yourself convenient. Don't strain yourself. If you are not able to keep the entire legs completely down, you can keep little upwards like this. Even your head, if you are not able to completely put it inside, you can keep something like this. But eventually, slowly, you try and finally achieve this state. So this is what I want you to practice today. So practice all these 7 session exercises together, and we will see you in the next session. So another only 3 or 4 sessions maximum, we will be able to achieve the entire Surya Namaskar. It's going to be a great health booster for all of you. If you practice 3 rounds minimum in a day, you will be really benefited by its health benefits what Surya Namaskar can offer you. So motivate yourself, join us, practice well, and we'll see you in the next session in the next week. Thank you for joining us. Santosham to all of you.